Meteorological Agency issued multiple warnings about snowfall in Japan. The Japan Meteorological Agency said that areas facing the Sea of Japan and much of the Pacific side of the archipelago are expected to experience very strong winds and storms from Tuesday to Thursday, due to the winter low-pressure system. The Meteorological Agency said low pressure is expected to develop and move toward the sea near the Kuril Islands, northeast of Hokkaido and eastern Japan, bringing cooler temperatures. The agency also expects maximum wind speeds of 82.8 km per hour in Hokuriku, Kinki, Chugoku, Western Shikoku Island and Okinawa in southwestern Japan, and 72 km per hour in the Kanto Koshin region during Tuesday. Meteorological officials in Japan said the coldest air mass of the season was likely to result in heavy snowfall covering large areas. The Japan Meteorological Agency said that a very cold air mass flowing into western and eastern Japan between Tuesday and Thursday may lead to traffic disturbances due to heavy snowfall and blizzards. The agency urged drivers to be vigilant in snowy conditions as well as people in general to prepare for heavy snow and cold temperatures as soon as possible. She said that water pipes could freeze and there might be power outages. Please support us by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.